What's up, tubers? We're back with another unboxing parts review of the 72 Chevrolet Racers Wedge pickup. Kind of stoked about this one. This is going to be part of a race team. We're going to paint these both up to have the same color and scheme. I just picked this up the other day at the local hobby shop. Pretty stoked about it. A recent re-release. Didn't have to wait 4 to 6, 8 weeks for it to show up. Walked in, there was 3 of them on the shelf. So without more further ado and rambling, gonna crack this thing open and see what's in it. Looked around a little bit on scale mates and, you know, a little history check or whatever. Not too overboard on that. It is a re-release. And they always, you know, added new parts, decal sheets, whatever. New to this whole thing, so I don't really care so much about that. It's all new to me. Get this thing out of the air compressed box, and I have noticed that a lot of people will take the truck and get right into that, make it a dual axle instead of the tandem. I mean, I'm not gonna rivet count on that. Sure, granted, you probably haven't seen them, but whatever, that's the way it is. I'm not gonna get all overboard on the fabricating to make it a dual, not tandem. So, basic MPC manual. All pretty standard stuff. And then we've got, let's get right into the cab. This is pretty cool. You have the option of building it as the ramp truck or the old school long box. That's kind of sweet. Nice detail, chrome stuff. We'll be doing this probably a two-tone. Yeah, basic detail on the cab, whatever. And then our tons of tire options. Got like 6 of these nice, pretty decent tread width pattern. White walls are options, so that's cool. Oh, poke myself. Get into the shiny bits. Pardon my rambling and the plastic noises. Just kind of do a little casual. Ooh, okay, that's cool. These, I have built these in other kits before. The gas can and the jack. I don't remember exactly which one they came out of, but they had to paint them. This is pretty bitchin'. Shiny. Oh, shiny. And chrome steering wheel. Nice. Orderly. Wow. That's a lot of chrome. And then you got your custom option. Looks like hubcaps, or yeah, those are stock hubcaps. And then what in the Sam hell? Ooh, so wheel and tires options for this might be a little interesting. Whatever, again, is what it is. Nice cab, one-piece glass, red taillights, red plastic. Just so much plastic in this kit. And it's all coming out. Dump some blue, paint all over it, and see what it turns into. Okay, that's the bed for the regular truck. We're gonna build it that way. Yeah, big old hood. Oh, sweet! It's got the Chevrolet imprint on the tailgate, so that's cool. If you were gonna build the truck up, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Nice dashboard details. Pretty standard motor. Ooh, with the automatic. Interesting. Isn't that? Yeah. A turbo 400, 300. And then we've got more regular truck parts. The bed sides. Ooh, well, I guess I could probably just build the whole bed as a separate piece and display that. Nice big one-piece frame. Add a little paint here and there. That'll detail up pretty well. Wheel backs and steelies. Okay, good. Get your basic steelies in there. And then the extra axle. I'm not sure exactly where that goes, but yeah, it's just an interesting design. Oh, wow. And a tonneau cover as well. So, geez, there is quite a bit of plastic in here that's interesting. And then there's still another bag. Let's get into this last one. Uh-oh. Parts. Some piece of flash or something. Not today, model gremlins. Not today. Ooh, what is that slimy stuff? I have to wash this one. And there's that big old ramp. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty bitchin'. Pardon me just tossing stuff around. I'll show a still picture of all the parts at the end so you get a clearer idea of what's there. A little toolbox. Now why is that not chrome and all the tools are? I mean, you know, come on. You're gonna spend that kind of money in the Snap-on truck. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. That, with that painted on top of it, gonna be pretty bitchin'. Oh yeah, let's look at the decals real quick. Sorry about my mess all over the desk here, but you know, whatever. Again, we're trying to do this casual, and hope you enjoy it. Oh, yellow. Okay. Well, that's cool, because I was kind of thinking of going green. And yellow would like kind of pop with some flames. Burning Buzzard. I always laugh at who comes up with these names for these racing teams. Okay. Well, again, I'll take a still image of everything so you can get a sharper look of all the stuff here that's in the box of the 72 Chevy Racers Wedge. Gonna be cool. I'm gonna make my own race team. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a like, subscribe. And let me know if you like this video over here or maybe that one. Be sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching.